In this expression, we have 3 divisions. And according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. 5 divided by 2 can be written as 5 over 2. Then divided by 5 and divided by 2. Now we have to do this division. 5 over 2, then divided by 5. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay? Then divided by 2. Okay? And here, again, we can apply this rule. So, change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. So we have 5 over 2, then times 1 over 5, then times 1 over 2. First, we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 5 and this 5. So here we have just 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which equals 1 over 4, or 0.25. And this is our final answer to this problem.